Most people get this wrong when comparing MoneyLion and Brigit. They think both apps do the exact same thing. But once you look beyond cash advances, the differences become much bigger than most users realize. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best app isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that solves your specific financial problem. In this video, you'll learn how MoneyLion and Brigit compare in 2026, including cash advances, fees, budgeting tools, credit-related features, and which app may be the better fit for your situation. Let's jump right in. At their core, both MoneyLion and Brigit help users access money before payday. If you're dealing with short-term cash flow issues, both platforms are designed to provide support when unexpected expenses show up. But that's where the similarities start to separate. MoneyLion positions itself as a broader financial platform. Along with cash advances, it offers banking services, investing features, credit-building options, and additional financial tools. Brigit focuses more heavily on cash flow management. Its goal is to help users avoid overdrafts, monitor spending habits, and improve budgeting. For example, let's say Jake wants access to cash advances and also wants tools that help build his overall financial profile. MoneyLion may appeal more to him. On the other hand, if John struggles with overdraft fees and wants budgeting assistance, Brigit may be a better match. But here's the problem. Many users choose based only on advance limits. In reality, the long-term value often comes from the extra tools you actually use every week. This is where most people fail. They sign up for an app packed with features but only use one function. That means they're not getting the full benefit of what they're paying for or using. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both apps generally evaluate factors like income history, banking activity, and account behavior when determining eligibility for advances. That means your experience may differ from someone else's, even if you're using the same platform. Another important consideration is fees. Depending on the services used, certain features or faster fund delivery options may involve additional costs. That's why it's important to understand the pricing structure before relying on any cash advance app regularly. In a minute, I'll give you the easiest way to decide between the two. Ask yourself one simple question. Do you primarily need help managing your money, or do you want a wider financial platform with multiple services? If budgeting and overdraft prevention are your main goals, Brigit may be the stronger choice. If you're looking for a broader collection of financial tools in one place, MoneyLion may offer more flexibility. The bottom line is simple. MoneyLion focuses on being an all-in-one financial app, while Brigit focuses more on budgeting support and cash flow management. Now you're in a much better position to choose the right option for your needs. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which app you're leaning toward and why.